In this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide text messages content on your lock screen. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and here search for your messages application right here and there select notifications. On that screen you can adjust a bunch of different options and also you can right here tap on show previews feature to select how your previews will be shown. By default this option is set when unlocked, and if I want to hide text messages content even from the lock screen, I can change this option to never. That's it, and I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.